going to interrupt you because joining me live now is our editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami. Arnab, you were incarcerated for 8 days when the nation prayed with you. Today, the judgment of the Supreme Court, what are your first thoughts? Because today the Supreme Court says this is personal liberty of Arnab that has to be upheld.
Well, I am Rhythm deeply grateful to the Supreme Court. We have been through a lot, but today's judgment, truly Rhythm, for all that we have been through, it makes it worth it. And it's not a question anymore about why I was put in jail. The issue of my getting put in jail today seems to be a very small price to pay. If you look at the words of the Supreme Court today, if I was to stay in jail for 1 more month, I would happily do it, because what has come out today in the words of the Supreme Court is an assurance to the citizens of India that they will not be left alone. In the words of the Supreme Court, I am told the Supreme Court said, though I am waiting for the final judgment, I am told the Supreme Court said that there are countless millions of citizens of the country who may not have the means or the resources or the ability to approach the Supreme Court. And therefore, for them, the words that were read out this morning by Justice Chandrachud will have a great healing touch. I was obviously very angry that I was put in jail for a crime that had not been committed. But I am also told that the Supreme Court today, in its due wisdom, while saying that the final decision of quashing the case will be taken by the High Court, has, I am told, also made the very relevant observation that on a prima facie reading of the FIR, the ingredients of 306 are not made out. Which is precisely the question, Rhythm, that I had put when I was picked up, assaulted, dragged out of my house, physically beaten up, pulled up in court, and I am told that even this morning, there have been words from people heading the Maharashtra government to issue a warning to people who criticize them that they will be dealt with. After all, what is it to be dealt with? Are we as citizens of India to be dealt with fairly or unfairly? Or are we being told by people that because they won an election or they usurp power, that the constitutional process will not apply to them? You see, I had great faith when I approached the High Court. I will make no comments on any court, but the deprivation of my personal liberty has become a case in point right now for a larger battle. I also would like to make a point here, Rhythm.
Yes.
That while there have been attempts to compare me to others who have been arrested under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, this attempt at creating some kind of a link between me and those who've broken the law and threatened India's internal security are matters which, in my own view, cannot be compared. However, I must say one thing, Rhythm, and I think I say it on your behalf and on behalf of every person at Republic. First of all, I cannot wait to get my hands on the judgment and to read it. I shall frame this judgment in my studios. I shall frame this judgment in my room. I shall frame this judgment in my house. And this judgment shall forever, years to come and decades to come, serve as a reminder to the people of India.
Yes.
Serve as a reminder to the people of India that above everything else, we have the Constitution to back up. That if we have not broken the law, we cannot be fixed.
Yes.
My dear viewers, there was an attempt to fix me. Today's judgment simply says you cannot fix an ordinary citizen even if you disagree with him. So I'm deeply grateful.
Absolutely.
And may I, on a personal note, say something else. I do not have words that express my gratitude to Harish Salve well enough. I must have done something good to have someone of his eminent stature and ability fight for me. My dear viewers, I want to tell you, in all my years as a journalist, Harish Salve has stood by me because he believes in the freedom of expression and he has not charged me a single rupee. I cannot afford to pay Harish Salve's fees, to be honest. But the fact that he fought like a almost in a fraternal spirit, Rhythm.
Yes.
The fact that he stood by us, the fact that he believed in us, the fact that when the whole world was against us, he stood by us and he said that I will get you justice, Mr. Harish Salve. I hope someone reaches out this message to you. You are not just like an elder brother to all of us. You are someone who will be remembered in history for a long time as someone who stood up for those cases which have a domino effect for freedom of expression in this country. You are a warrior. You are a one-man army for the entire Indian media today, because this case, Mr. Salve knows, and the Supreme Court will also be aware of this, will stand as a safeguard for the freedom of expression. And Rhythm, we don't always agree with many of the people who come on our shows or the people we report with, but whatever our disagreements are within the realm of the law.
Absolutely.
So I'll hand it over to you with this, and frankly to our viewers, to the supporters of the Republic Media Network, we are back. We are back with a bang. We shall come out strongly. We shall expand our network and we will grow with all your blessings. To Swapnil, Deshrathan Nigam, Priyanka and all of you also, thank you very much. Rhythm.
And